So this is kind of cool. It's somewhere new now. Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. There. And this is going to be an exciting day. Get to see some crocodiles. Anyways, so hot. But here, I'm going to go see some crocodiles. So, it's going to be fun. This is a wildlife conservation center. And it's going to be exciting. This is crazy. But this is like the size of a crocodile. Like, amazingly huge. I would not want to be getting eaten by one of these guys.
So by the way, Rio was captured August 4, 1990 because he attacked a fisherman, and it was confirmed that he swallowed the right leg of the victim. So just the right leg, because crocodiles, they can only consume 1 to 2% of their body weight. So it's not true that the crocodile can swallow a whole body of human. So it is misconception for crocodiles. Crocodiles are not breathing. Okay, inside the hatchling house, you will see 1 to 3 years old. So they can chomp, they can cut off fingers, please, hands off.
This guy is like he's absolutely monstrous. Look at the size of this guy. Holy. So apparently this guy will jump, which would be kind of scary. Yeah. Going through the wildlife area here. Here's what we got. The Imperial Green Pigeon from the Pigeon 13 Force. Oh my gosh, look who that is. It's the king of 13 pigeons. Anyways, there you go, Josh. This is called a bear cat. I don't know what he's doing. Licking himself. Just to give you an idea as to what the public restrooms look like here. This is the toilet, and this is how you flush the toilet. There you go. So we're sitting down somewhere on the middle of our way to El Nido. Anyways, this is the background of where we're eating at this little restaurant. Look at these cute little tiny pop bottles. So cool. And little tiny bottles of Sprite. Either that or my hands have grown in size. So here's the restaurant we were just eating at. This is the view from the deck of the restaurant. So here we go. Anyways, and there's our driver. This is like heaven. This is incredible. It's 5 o'clock in the evening right now. And this is what you get for sunset. are in El Nido, and checked into the room, and we got in trouble with the police, giving me a necklace in the car. Yes. So, anyways, beautiful place, amazing, right? And you get to lucky enough to work here. The ocean is right here. The tourist police looking after us. Anyways, very busy area. This is kind of the street front. This is a big little town. A lot of different areas. This is definitely the touristy area of El Nido, and it's on kind of the northern tip of the Palawan island. There's still go further north to Coron, but that's going to be a few extra hours, and I do that on a different trip. But El Nido so far looks good. Definitely wild. I'm liking it. Walking just down the street. This is beaches that way. Lots of action, lots of activity. I'll definitely be kind of showing while we're walking what I'm seeing, but pretty amazing. You know, people everywhere, lots of tourists. I mean, there's everybody's here. And cool thing about it is you'll see dogs just laying on the ground, chilling out like they belong here just like everyone else too. It's pretty interesting stuff you will not see in Canada. Anyways, have fun. I'll show you around. All right, so just wandering, seeing what's here.
In here, the crowd is until 3 a.m.
Till 3 a.m.?
Yeah.
Wow.
Office.
That's her office? Okay.
Police.
Okay.
Her name, hi, Jen. Magandang gabi. Wow.
There we go. Hello. There we go. There's police truck there too. Anyways, this is kind of giving you an idea of what's around here. I always look for the busy places too, and then that'll tell you something, right? But that smells good when you get that good smell. That's what I want. Something that smells like that. So follow your nose.
Handsome police.
The handsome police. No, they no guapo. They're guapo police, right? Yeah. There's a lot of little roads around here. And places and little cute things. So yeah, there'd be a lot for me to look for stuff for Josh while we're here. Aw, it's so cute. Anyways, yeah, you just get little dogs everywhere. It's kind of funny. See the stuff that Josh would like too. I want him to come over here with me so bad. That would be like so cool. Mediterranean. There's gonna be lots, eh? This is the kind of stuff you'll see, and that goes pretty much down to the beach. So this is like, I don't know, it's pretty cool. So here we're on a different street now. So we came down from that place, went there. Now we're gonna go check out this street and see some of the stuff they have. Okay. So here we are walking down another one of these streets. And they got a Christmas tree already, which is nice. No snow though, ever. Because it's just too warm. Like I'm sweating right now, and it's 8 o'clock at night, and it's still, I'd probably say it's about 28, 25 degrees right now, maybe. Beautiful though, I love it. So, a lot of neat things, neat places to see. And this is like where the Christmas village would be, I guess. And yeah, this looks so nice, eh? It's always Merry Christmas, and it's all about Christ. So yeah. So beautiful.